Technical Larkanian. Once again, I am here with a new topic. This topic belongs to projects managers, resident engineers, or who are QS. This is a very important topic for them. You have to understand this topic. Okay, friends, my today's topic is how to escalate from IPC, how to get an escalation from IPC, interim payment certificates. Friends, I'm going to brief you about this. This is a very easy topic. No need to panic. Just you have to understand. You have to get your concept clear. Okay, friends. First of all, description, unit, weight. My dear friends, these things, description, unit, weight, are mentioned in BOQ, bill of quantities. This will be mentioned in BOQ. Unit, for example, fixed portion, this is 0.480, this will be the constant. Okay, friends, this is a weightage. Okay, friends, then we are coming towards local labor, unskilled labor days. This is 0.175, this will be also constant. High speed diesel, unit will be liter, and weightage 0.050, this will be the also constant. Okay, friends, cement OPC, unit will be bags, 0.145. Similarly, steel, here it's a half-inch dia, four shooter steel, 0.150. When you are going to plus them, or when you are going to add them, this value, all value, friends, okay, this will be the 1. Okay, friends, remember, weightage, unit, and description, this is given in BOQ. Okay, friends, now we are coming towards a basic price. Friends, remember, you have to remember when your project was started, basic price will be concluded, will be adopted from a very beginning start of the project. For example, this is 375. It says local labor unskilled 375. For example, my dear friends, my project was started in 2014. Okay, friends, then 2014 basic price of labor, local labor, was 375 rupees. Okay, my dear friends, these rates are 2014. Friends, I am going to further explain you. High speed diesel in 2014, this was 83.61 was per liter. Cement OPC in 2014, okay, friends, basic price was 550. Steel was 72,500. Okay, friend, in 2014 basic price, when your project was started. My project was started in 2014. That's why I will write these values. Now coming where I got these values. My dear friends, you have to write application towards Department of Statistical Bureau on letterhead of company. You will request them to issue us a basic and current prices. This is the basic price. You will write in letter 2014 basic rates of Sakhar. I am working in district Sakhar, friends. Okay, friends, basic price and current price. Now look, friends, when IPC2, interim payment certificate, this one, submitted on 29th August 2016. Now what you have to do, you have to go back 28 days. Okay, friends, I have written rates of items 1816. When you are going to write application towards a statistical department bureau, you will write I need a rate of different items of 1816, means current price. For example, 2014, this was a basic price 375 rupees. Current price in 2016, 1816, that was 540. Okay, friends, similarly, high speed diesel basic price when project was started in 2014, 83.61. Current price 1816, 72.61. Okay, my dear friends, similarly, cement OPC bags basic price was 550 in 2014. When I submitted bill IPC 1816, the rate of OPC cement was 580. Okay friends, similarly for the steel in 2014 it was a rate of 72,500. Current price 1816, this is a 60,000. Okay my dear friends, just you have to make a column A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Okay friends, unit, weight, basic, current. Hope you got this. Now we have to calculate increase, decrease in price. Similarly, you will write F upon E. This is your F, this is E. F upon E, increase or decrease. Increase was 1.4400. For local labor in 2014 and 2016, it was a difference of 1.4400. Okay friends. Similarly for high speed diesel, F upon E, this is your F, this is E. F divided by E, this is 0.866. Okay friend, this will be in negative. Similarly, when we are coming for cement OPC, in 2014 the rate of cement was 550. In 1816, 1st August 2016, rate was 580. F upon E 1.045. Okay friends, then we are coming towards increase, decrease in weightage. What we got here? Increase, decrease in price. Now we are coming towards increase, decrease in weightage. H is equal to D into G. This is your D, this is your G. You have to multiply this G into D. Here D into G, this 0.480 will be remain as a constant. Okay my dear friends, for local labors you have to apply this D, this is a D, this is G, or G into D, whatever you want to multiply, doesn't matter. Okay friends, for high speed diesel, D into G, this is your D, this is your G, this will be answer. Okay friends, for OPC, D into G, this is D multiplied by this one G. This will be increase or decrease in weightage. For steel, you have to apply same formula D into G. This is D into G. This will be 0.1241. We got increase and decrease in weightage. My dear friends, now we are getting net increase, decrease in weightage. What was the net increase and decrease in weightage? Okay my dear friends, I is equal to H minus D. This is your H, this is your D. You have to subtract this value from here. I got this value, H minus D. This is H, this is D. Okay friends, H minus D for local labors. I got this value. Okay friends, for high speed diesel, when I subtracting H, this is a H 0.0433 minus D, this value, I got this in negative value. Okay my dear friends, this is a negative value. Cement OPC, H minus D, this is a H, this is a D, I got 0.0079. Similarly for the steel, H minus D, this is a H, this is a D, H minus D, I got this minus 0.0259. Okay my dear friends, now you have to concentrate here my dear friends. I have written J is equal to volume of work done into I, this is I. Okay friends, volume of work done, IPC number 2 was 14909.502.36. Repeating again, 14909.502.36 value. Okay friends, what I have to do for amount of escalation or de-escalation, volume of work done will be multiplied with the I factor, increase, decrease in weightage. Okay my dear friends, coming for local labor, unskilled labor, I got 0.0770. I have to multiply this value. I got 1148031.68. Okay my dear friends, Similarly, for high speed diesel, I have in negative value 0.0067. This is a negative. When I am going to multiply this one, this will be also negative. Means this amount will be deducted. This amount will be not added in bill, but it will be a deducted. That will be in a minus. Okay, friends. Now we are coming cement OPC. I have 0.0079. I have to multiply this one. I got 117785.07. For steel, I have minus 0.0259. When I multiply this 14909.502.36, I got in negative. This will be also negative. This will be also deducted from a total amount of bill 386156.11. Okay, my dear friends. Now what you have to do, this value is 1. Okay, net increase decrease is 1.0520, 1.0523. When you will subtract this value from here, 1.0523 minus 1, 1.0523 this value and minus this value, the difference will be 0.0523. Okay, my dear friends. Now adjustment factor into volume of work done. This is the adjustment factor. We got this. Okay, friends. When you will multiply this value 1490950.36, this volume of work done IPC number 2, when you are going to multiply this value with the adjustment factor, you will get 779766.937. Means this will be the extra additional amount will be given to a contractor. Okay, my dear friends, when you are going to make a plus this value, you will get a same this value. You will also deduct this one from here. Okay, my dear friends, hope you got this. This was a very good topic. This is a very important topic for the project managers, for resident engineers, for quantity surveyors. Once again, I am just repeating in short. My dear friends, IPC number 2, for example, you have amount of this one. IPC 2 was submitted on 29th August 16. You have to go back 28 days back, means 1/8/16. You have to write an application towards Statistical Department Bureau for rates, for a bulletin rates, in where every district have own rates. For Sakhar, what Khairpur, Ladkana, what's Jacobabad, whatsoever is district in overall in Pakistan, that all our rates are different. You have to apply the rates 1/8/16. Here current price, basic price means when your project was started. For my project was started in 2014, so these rates are I have followed of 2014, and current price I am applying 1/8/16. Just then I have to get a simplification, my dear friends. Hope you got this. Inshallah, I will appear with the next lecture with a new topic. Maybe, friends, this was the escalation. Might be I will come with a de-escalation. Okay, friends, this was the important topic. Till then, take care. Bye.